Dear engineers and engineering students, इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल से सुधीर जैन का नमस्कार. Nikki ji and Sonu ji are practicing communication in English with projects and engineering terms as the base of their communication skill, as well as they are preparing with corporate etiquettes to get success in core sector industry job interview. इस विषय पर निक्की जी एवं सोनू जी की प्रिपरेशन के पिछले वीडियोस की लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी हुई है. आप इन वीडियोस को सुनकर अपने प्रैक्टिस करें और इंटरव्यू में सफलता प्राप्त करें. यू प्लीज नोटिस देयर कम्युनिकेशन इन इंजीनियरिंग इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इज वेरी सिंपल एंड इजी. यू शुड नॉट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ इंग्लिश. ग्रो योर कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल.
Hello Sonu, how are you?
Oh, hi, Nikki. I am good. How about you? And what about your preparation?
I am too good and I am keep on learning with my interview preparation.
Wow, Nikki, that's great. So, let's get started with our today's preparation.
Yes, of course, let's get started. Sonu, did you revise the area and volume of different geometric shapes? This is very simple but very important to understand engineering practices. But in my opinion, preparation of this topic can be done without your help.
Yes, I agree. Now, we understand the importance of understanding principle of physics to understand engineering. Nikki, that's why in core sector interviews, they judge our understanding about these rules and laws. For example, they may ask us to explain floating objects like ships, or they may ask us to explain the use of Archimedes' law in the arc of welding process, or a floating valve operation in cistern or other tanks.
Yes, I agree. They may ask us why in an automobile car seatbelt is necessary. Then I will explain with the help of Newton's law.
Nikki, now you please tell me something about the law of conservation of energy and where this principle is used.
Law of conservation of energy. Let me remember for a second. Yes, now I got it. Yes, I tell you. Take an example of petrol or diesel or gasoline engine. Here, the chemical energy of fuel is converted into thermal energy. And the thermal energy is converted into mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is converted into kinetic energy. And when moving automobile is stopped by applying brake, then the kinetic energy is converted into heat or thermal energy. We see that one form of energy is being converted to another form, but it is not destroyed. Now, you tell me the law.
Right. And this law states that the energy cannot be created or destroyed. And it is very simple law. Energy can only be changed or transformed from one to another form. These physics laws are framed by scientists used by the engineers. Nikki, now we are realizing the importance of physics rules and laws of engineering.
Yes, now I understand, and it's very important.
Nikki, now you tell me about work, power, and energy.
Sonu, I don't remember till. You please tell me about work, power, and energy.
Okay, Nikki, I will explain you. Power means rate of doing work or work per unit time. Or power is equals to work upon time. Or we can say work done per unit time. Energy or work is same and is equals to force into displacement. The SI unit of work is joule or Newton meter or watt into time. Power is equals to force into displacement upon time. That is equals to force into velocity. And the SI unit of power is watt, and 746 watt is equals to 1 HP. Normally, in case of automobiles, we use HP, and in electrical appliance or equipment, we use watt or kilowatt or megawatt or gigawatt. Nikki, now it's time to relax.
Yes, I wanted the same break and again start. Now we will start with simple harmonic motion.
Nikki, now you are talking in engineering language.
Yes, we are the engineers. We should use engineering language like doctor uses medical language. Now, Sonu, you tell me about simple harmonic motion in engineering machine.
Okay, Nikki. Simple example is movement of pistons of engine or camshaft or wheels of an automobile. Periodically, they can travel on the same path.
Pendulum of a wall clock is also an example of simple harmonic motion.
Nikki, now relax for some time. Okay, now tell me, when energy is not destroyed, then why the diesel engine efficiency is less than 50%? What does this mean?
Very tricky question. I have to think for some time. As per the energy cannot be destroyed. Okay, efficiency means useful energy output to total energy input. The difference of these two is the transformation of energy to unwanted heat energy. This is due to the friction. Yes, some part of energy is not converted at all, and fuel wastage is also there. Then, some quantity of energy is converted to unwanted sound energy also. Vibrations also is a kind of unwanted energy. Thus, the useful energy is not even 50% of input.
Wow, Nikki, you explained it well. Now, no doubts, it's all clear. Nikki, one of our seniors was asked about different grades of pencils used in making engineering drawings. Nikki, they ask anything? Do you know about pencils?
They ask the questions to select one who knows to work. In college, we have made drawings. We should know about drawing materials and instruments. You asked the right question. Let us revise. The grades of graphite or the pencil slate range from hard to soft. The most hard pencil grade is 9H and the softest drafting or drawing pencil grade is 6B. Hard grade pencils draw light lines and soft grade pencils draw darker and wider lines. Sonu, do you remember the pencils did you use? Normal, HB soft grade and H and 2H pencils are used by college students.
The drawing board of size D2, that is 700 into 500 mm, and of thickness is 15 mm. The size of sheets should be used is A2, that is 594 into 420 mm. Nikki, you just see the names of different instruments used to draw an engineering drawing. You also understand the scale of drawing. Drawing to a reduced scale means drawing is smaller than the object. Drawing is to enlarged scale when drawing is larger than the object.
Yes, we should read everything about engineering drawing. Okay, now let's revise some types of engineering drawings. Sonu, do you remember?
Yes, some of them are isometric drawing, orthographic, dimensioning, sectioning, assembly, cross sectional, half sectional. All types are to understand the object completely. Now, you tell me about first and third angle drawing.
Okay, that's great. These are 2D drawings of a 3D object. In first angle projection, the object is placed in the first quadrant, means between the plane of projection and the observer. And in third angle projection, the object is placed below and behind the viewing planes, means the plane of projection is between the observer and the object.
Oh, so much for today. I have to be ready for success in interview. Nikki, I think it's okay for today.
Yes, Sonu, let us relax for some time. Okay, call you tomorrow. Bye bye, take care. Keep learning.
So, all friends, I am sure you enjoyed the practice of communication. See, all this knowledge and understanding is expected from an engineering candidate. Please prepare these topics. In the next video, we will revise and learn more basic topics to enable you to get success in job interview. See you soon.